let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Waltz silver level routine with the count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look again at this waltz choreography, this time from another angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, and now let's look once again at silver level choreography in waltz, this time in slow motion. So we start with preparation step and then steps 1, 2, 3 of natural turn, continued by open impetus, ended in promenade position. From here we dance wing. From wing position we dance open telemark, finished in promenade position, and cross hesitation. Now we continue with outside spin and steps 4 to 6 of reverse turn and telemark. Very good. Let's look once again at waltz in slow motion, this time from another angle. Preparation step and first 3 steps of natural turn, continued with open impetus, with man's heel turn. From promenade position we dance wing. Then we continue with open telemark, finished in promenade position. From here we dance cross hesitation and outside spin, underturned version, continued with reverse turn ending and telemark. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.